Friends, movies are a very important part of Indian lifestyle, and toward that we have a very important body, Cinematography Board of India, and it has a responsibility to give certification to the movies. And toward that, recently Government of India has amended the Cinematography Act and come up with the new changes. So let's understand what are those changes. So Cinematography Amendment Bill 2023 has come up with some new provision. So let's understand what are those new provisions. So this Cinematography Amendment Bill 2023 was passed by the Parliament. This is the historic bill which was passed with the Parliament after amending the Cinematography Act after 14 years. It has been amended after a very long year. So last amendment in the Cinematography Act 1952 were made in the year 1984. So before this, one more time amendment was taking place in the year 1984. So along with this, whenever we see a movie, so we have some special provision for that. So we can see the U certification, UA certification, A certification and S certification. So this can be important for our prelim exam perspective. So U indicate universal, it means that anyone can watch it, family friendly movies. UA, anyone can watch it but kids below 14 are advised with the cautions. A, can only be viewed by the adult 18 plus age is necessary for watching movie. A grade. Special movie made for selected group like doctor called S group. So these categorization has been very important when it comes to the certification of the movies by the authorities. Piracy has been one of the issue when it comes to the movies. So toward that, the recently proposed amendment is a landmark bill aims to comprehensively curb the menace of piracy that actually caused loss of 20,000 crores in the film industry. So this has been the matter of concern. Besides this, the amendment provides for punishment at least 3 months and imprisonment also. It also provides for the fine of 3 lakh. इसके साथ the fine can be extended up to 3 years, imprisonment and up to the 5% of the audited gross production cost. So these are some of the important provisions that are proposed under the Cinematography Amendment Bill 2023. Besides this, let's understand some of the other fact about it. The bill seeks to curb menace of film piracy and revamp the age-based certification given by the Central Board of Film Certification, that is called CBFC, is a very important body when it comes to giving certification to the movies, and at the same time it is a statutory body created under the Cinematography Act 1952. It also looks to attain uniformity in the categorization of the film and content across the platform. So this is also a very important provision under this proposed amendment. Thank you for watching this video, and for such amazing content, please subscribe our Telegram channel named Selection IS.